If New Year's resolutions worked, you wouldn't be setting the same ones every January. And if that sentence hit a nerve, stay with me because this video is for you. I want to be clear. I'm not here to shame you. I've made New Year's resolutions too. I've written them down, I prayed over them, I got excited about them, and by February, life happened. The issue is that resolutions rely on emotion, not direction. Most resolutions sound like this: I want to lose weight. Um, I want to be more confident. I want to grow my business. I want to pray more. But wanting something and knowing how to work it out are two very different things. Faith without a plan often leads to frustration, and God is not the author of confusion. That's why I want to challenge you, especially as women over 40, to stop making resolutions and start setting SMART goals. SMART is an acronym, and each letter matters. S is for specific. Instead of saying, I want to be more confident, say, I want to confidently speak on camera once a week for my ministry. Or, I want to practice going live for 4 Fridays, and on the fifth Friday, I will go live on whatever social media channel. Specific goals remove confusion. M is for measurable. Ask yourself, how will I know I'm growing? Is it once a week, 3 times a month? Like I mentioned, practicing for 4 Fridays. What gets measured gets managed. A is for attainable. Faith stretches us, but wisdom keeps us consistent. God doesn't need you overwhelmed. He needs you obedient. So set a goal that you know you can attain. Use your past goals you have accomplished as a measure. R is for relatable. This is important. Your goal must align with your season, your body, your calling, not someone else's highlight reel. T is for time bound. Deadlines create movement. When you give your goal a timeline, you tell your mind, okay, this matters. I have to do it. Now, let's talk about something most women don't realize. A lack of confidence is costing you money. You're not going live. You're not pitching your offer. You're not raising your prices. You're not saying yes to opportunities God already opened. Not because you're incapable, but because you haven't created a system to grow confidence. Confidence doesn't come from waiting, it comes from action. When you pair your prayer with planning, faith with action, God meets you there. This year doesn't need another New Year's resolution. It needs a goal that is smart. And when your goals are clear, you do the actions, your confidence grows, and your goal is achieved. If this spoke to you, I want to support you even more. If you comment 10, I will send you my free guide, 10 Biblical Verses to Speak Life Daily. Start renewing your mind daily with God's truth. Please like this video, subscribe for more faith-based confidence teaching, and let me know, what is your SMART goal this year?